Before we jump in, I do earn a referral fee when you use the services and companies I demonstrate in the video, but there is no additional cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them. Do you want to start a junk removal business that will bring in immediate revenue? Junk removal is in demand, and the potential profitability is high. If you're cut out for the work, the benefits are numerous. Fortunately, it won't take you months to learn how to start a junk removal business. And best of all, once you launch, you'll be your own boss no matter your age, education, or past experience. Before continuing the video, let's introduce you to Bizee. Bizee is a professional formation service company to file your LLC. It's an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. The full review of Bizee is also given in the description box down below. Now, let's continue the video. But before you start researching how to start a junk removal business, consider these advantages and disadvantages. First advantage is income potential. Perhaps most importantly, the income potential is high if you work in an area with demand. According to Holloway Cash, once you deduct your expenses, you can expect to earn $58 per hour as per the national average. Working 5 days a week at 8 hours per day, you'll earn $116,000 per year. Once you scale your business, your income will only increase. Low barrier to entry. With a low barrier to entry, the junk removal business is easy to break into. Compared to other businesses, the startup costs are minimal, no special skills are required, and it's fairly easy to scale once your business takes off. Easy to scale. When you want to take on bigger jobs or have multiple jobs running simultaneously, you're ready to scale. To grow, you simply need to add a truck and hire more employees. Ability to transition off the truck. Once your junk removal business is running smoothly, you can hire a manager to ride on the track and manage jobs. Then, you can step back from the day-to-day and let the business just run. The first disadvantage is fluctuating demand. Junk removal is a seasonal business with fluctuating demand. You may be hauling 24/7 in May, but in December, you could be sitting around doing nothing. You need to therefore plan your income distribution accordingly. Not subscription-based. Also, junk removal jobs are generally one-offs as clients don't move or reorganize their houses often. Because junk removal, unlike the lawn care business, is not subscription-based, you need to continuously advertise and maintain ongoing marketing campaigns to attract new clients. Your income, especially in the beginning, will therefore be less consistent. Competition. In addition, with low barriers to entry, many aspiring entrepreneurs jump into the industry, hoping to make a quick buck. With more competition, you need to spend more money on advertising, and you may need to slash your prices periodically to compete. But not all the competition sticks around long-term. If you work hard and scale quickly, you can eventually dominate your local market. Now, let's walk you through registering your business. The fees and taxes for registering your business are dependent on the state you live in and the type of business you set up, LLC, sole proprietorship, S-Corp. In California, for example, it costs $85 to establish an LLC, plus $20 to file a statement of information. A small business license is between $50 and $100. When registering your business, you'll need to decide what type of business structure best suits your needs. You have 4 main options. Sole proprietorship. This is the simplest business structure, where the business and the owner are legally the same entity. The advantage of this structure is its ease of startup and lower cost. However, the owner is personally liable for all the business's debts. General partnership. If you're going into business with someone else, a general partnership is an option. Each partner shares the profits, losses, and responsibilities, so make sure you're on the same page with your business partner. Corporation. This is a more complex structure involving shareholders, directors, and officers. It's a separate entity from you, providing liability protection, but it's also more expensive to set up and has certain administrative requirements to follow. Limited Liability Company, LLC. This offers the liability protection advantages of a corporation while maintaining the operational simplicity closer to a sole proprietorship or partnership. Your choice of business structure will depend on your specific situation and goals. Many choose to form an LLC because it offers the best of both worlds, protection against personal liability and operational flexibility. Forming an LLC sounds complicated and expensive, but using an entity formation service guides you through the process so you know it was done right. Most popular service is Bizee, renowned for its free service. For just $0 plus state fees, clients can enjoy preparing and filing the articles of organization with a complimentary registered agent service for the first year. This comprehensive package not only ensures top-notch privacy safeguards but also provides excellent value for money. With Bizee, customers can rest assured that their easy, fast, and effective service, allowing them to focus on their business endeavors with confidence. Let's understand the cost of starting a junk removal business. Startup costs are low, especially if you own a truck. If not, this will be your biggest investment. A junk removal truck. To get started cheaply, purchase a used pickup truck and trailer. The older the truck, before 2008, the cheaper it will be. Eventually, consider upgrading to a dump truck. It's the most practical vehicle for the long term as it can hold a lot of junk, which can simply be dumped into a landfill without much additional labor. Supplies. And unless you have the following supplies in your garage, you'll need to purchase the necessary equipment to take apart and haul away the junk, including a large shovel, a hand truck, a screwdriver set, a sledgehammer, a mesh tarp for an open truck or trailer, heavy-duty garbage bags, protective masks for dusty jobs, a broom and dustpan for cleanup. Marketing. Before you become a local household name, you must advertise your services using flyers, social media, and paid advertisements. Determine where your target population hangs out, social media versus the supermarket, and advertise accordingly. Dumping costs. Finally, landfills charge for dumping the junk. Contact your local landfills so you can calculate these costs into your expenses. On the plus side, you can sell scrap metal to offset these costs. Now, let's discuss the easy 3 steps to start a junk removal business. To figure out how to start a junk removal business, begin with the following 3 steps. 1. Business and marketing plan. Writing a business plan will help you to focus your ideas and plans so you can determine if your business is viable. As you build your business plan, you'll need to answer the following questions. What is your mission statement? What are your future goals for the business? What are your upfront costs, and how do you plan to cover them? Who is your target audience? Do you have a niche, college students, senior citizens moving into nursing homes, commercial businesses, families, etc.? Where and how will you market to your prospects? With answers to the above questions, you can begin writing a business plan. 2. Form a legal entity. The most common business structure types are the sole proprietorship, partnership, limited liability company, LLC, and corporation. Establishing a legal business entity such as an LLC or corporation protects you from being held personally liable if your junk removal business is sued. You can form an LLC yourself and pay only the minimal state LLC costs or hire one of the best LLC services for a small, additional fee. By forming a legal business entity, you can minimize your liability and take advantage of potential tax savings as well. Now, I'm going to show you how to start an LLC using Bizee, and in the description down below you also find a review of their service. They are one of the best entity formation platforms in the market that charges $0 for their service. Now, let me just show you what types of services Bizee provides to business owners. After arriving on their website, you will see the list of all the services they provide. Under the Start Your Business section, you will see 4 of their key services, which are form an LLC, C Corporation, S Corporation, and Nonprofit. As you can see, there are 3 different packages: Silver, Gold, and Platinum. And the first thing that's worth mentioning is that the state fee does not change. You can see it's $236 in all the packages. Some of the extra services that are included in this package are preparing and filing the articles of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent for 1 year, and unlimited phone and email support. Next, the Gold package, which costs $249. And this is the package I highly recommend with filing EIN, which is a business tax number, Form 2553. It also comes with operating agreement, business bank account, lifetime company alerts, tax consultation, etc. In the next section, Bizee is asking you to provide your LLC name and its designation. After that, they ask you whether you want to get a registered agent through them or not. Getting a registered agent is a legal requirement in order to file an LLC in any state. Bizee is providing registered agent service free for 1 year. And after that, it's $119 per year. Bizee is asking you whether you want to get an EIN or not. In the next section, Bizee will ask you whether you will set up a small U.S. business bank with Bank of America. Then if you want to get a free tax strategy or consultation call with them. In the Bizee dashboard, if you go to Legal and then Licenses and Permits, they can do this research for you and make sure that you have all the proper licenses and permits. After providing all the information, Bizee will be the one handling all the documents and registering your LLC on your behalf, so you won't need to go through any of these hassles. 3. Ongoing expenses. To determine and project your potential profitability, calculate the following expenses and use them to determine how much to charge your clients. If you can't cover these expenses, then you're either charging too little or do not have enough work. Finally, advertisements. While publicizing your business through social media is a great way to get your name out there, it won't be enough in the beginning. Targeted paid ads through Google, Facebook, and other social media will help you build additional name recognition. Learning how to start a junk removal business is not hard. But it requires careful planning, budgeting, and a lot of perseverance. If you're motivated and stick with it, your junk removal business will soon lead the market, and your pockets will fill up.